Hello, I'm Sophie, and this is my Holdframe workshop. Dreams give us a sense of motivation, but they can also create a sense of delusion within us. I explored this concept in a poem I wrote in 2017, which led to the inspiration of my self-initiated film Dream. Using the power of abstraction and visual metaphor, I designed and directed a small team to create the unexpected world that allowed me to not only tell a story, but to convey the deep emotion of my visual poem. In this workshop, we'll discuss my background and how I got into the industry, the inspiration behind my short film, my process for writing, storyboarding, and solidifying the visuals and audio, the importance of collaboration, and finally, how writing and directing my short film changed me as an artist. I hope you enjoy!
Life is like a warm breeze that carries the redolent of spring. The colors that transmute the sky from dusk till dawn. Like a little chase sprout that just pushed out the ground dauntlessly. A small water drop that just landed on a wildflower to tell its story from a long itinerary. But I'm an indigent goldfish that is floundering helplessly in this tiny bowl enveloped by hollow plastic plants and just gazing at this beautiful world. A Xanadu. I can't be a part of it. I am a puddle on the street that reflects the blue sky and makes graceful ebb and flow of waves coalesced with the spring breeze. But I'm merely a deserted puddle, wandering aimlessly. Then a bleak, lonely wintry moon devoured my life. The life of warmth, beauty, love, and passion departed. Then time stopped. Everything lost its colors. It froze my heart, and only the whiteness lingered in silence with me.